Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Thanks to my honorable teacher for giving me an opportunity to say something in front of you, and this is Ansarul Karim. Today my topic is about Cox's Bazar. As someone who grew up in the heart of Cox's Bazar, I want to take you on a journey to my beloved hometown and share with you its beauty, culture and spirit of its people. Cox's Bazar, a place blessed with incredible natural beauty in Bangladesh, and it is the most important district in Bangladesh. And previously it's called Phalonki, and now later named after Captain Hiram Cox, who visited the Cox's Bazar in 18th century. Its total area is 2,492 square kilometer, and its total population is near about 3 million. Cox's Bazar is mostly famous for the world's longest natural sandy sea beach. It is stretching for 120 to 150 kilometers, and you can see soft golden sand and blue sea touching the shore. Besides the beach, there are hills and green areas nearby, making it a unique place where you can see the sea and nature together. Cox's Bazar is a busy town with lots of shops and places to eat seafood. In every year, millions of people visit Cox's Bazar. According to a survey of Bureau of Statistics, each year roughly 3 million of people visit Cox's Bazar. Most of the people came here for relax, play in the water, walking by the sea, and enjoy the beautiful views. And Cox's Bazar has also two beautiful islands named Maheshkali and Saint Martin. Saint Martin is only the coral island of Bangladesh. Walking by the small haven, you can see peaceful simplicity, well led away from the mainland hustle. So my suggestion for all of you, come to Cox's Bazar and get experience for yourself. Finally, I would like to thanks for listening patiently, and no more today. But stay safe, stay healthy. That's all for the time being. Thank you.